Good morning, everyone. I am audible to all. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all. Saurabh, you are enrolled now in water resources. Okay, so what we have studied in last class?
मैम क्ले मिनरलॉजी पढ़ रहे थे.
Clay mineralogy. Okay. So in clay mineralogy, we have studied Mont Milonite and Elite structure. So in black cotton soil, which type of clay mineral structure? Black cotton soil.
Mont Mornalite.
Mont Morlonite. Correct. So one more structure is there, that is elite. So elite structure. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Elite. So there are three types of mineral structure. First is the collinite, second is the montmorillonite, and third is the elite. Okay. First structure, that is collinite structure. In collinite, structure, minerals and soil is ratio is the 1:1. Okay, and these structure unit formed of octahedral shape. Okay, octahedral shape of unit combined with silica tetrahedral unit through oxygen. So a structure is just like this is the bonding between minerals and soil is hydrogen bonding. Something this type of a structure. Bonding which is bonding between hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond. And total thickness of these layer is vary between 50 to 200 mm. Thickness of each layer is varies 50 to 200 mm. This is not need to remember, but types of mineral structure is very important, and types of mineral structure is first is collinite, second is the montmorillonite, and third is the elite. These three name is very important. Okay, in montmorillonite, ratio of minerals is the 2:1. 2:1, and elite also ratio is the 2:1. Okay, So elite structure is silica and aluminum. Silica, aluminum, and silica. This type of a structure, and bond between these two is here silica, here aluminum, here also aluminum. Bond between these two is ionic bond. Okay, and in montmorillonite, bond between two molecules is water bond. Okay, water bond for montmorillonite. So next chapter that is very important for GATE exam, that is compaction. Okay, so what do you mean by compaction? You have studied in semester also. So define compaction. What is compaction?
The removal of air from the soil is known as compaction.
Removal of air from soil. Any other answer? Any others?
Ma'am, it is the process of removal of air by reducing volume in a soil.
मैम आर्टिफिशियल मेथड है ये कॉम्पैक्शन, मतलब कंसोलिडेशन नेचुरल प्रोसेस होता है.
So किसने बोला compaction is a artificial method? Okay, so compaction is a process of artificial rearrangement of soil molecules or soil particles and packing them together into closure state to contact by mechanical method so as it modify its engineering properties. Or simply we can say, someone is answered, compaction reduced void ratio. Okay, void ratio means air. Okay, so in compaction process, air is reduced. That means compressibility is changed, volume is changed. So compaction reduce void ratio, permeability and compressibility. What? Compressibility and permeability. What is the effect on compressibility and permeability? Reduce. Okay, and also if compressibility is reduced and void ratio is reduced, so shear strength is increased. Okay, shear strength is increased, and also stability or denseness of the soil is also increased, and due to this effect bearing capacity is increased. So what is the process of compaction and what is its effect on soil properties? So process, what is the process? Process is the artificial process. Process is the artificial process. Artificial process. In this artificial process, soil molecules is rearranged. Okay, artificial process of rearrange soil molecules to rearrangement of soil particles and packing together into closure state. Okay, together into closure state of soil. By which method? By mechanical method. by mechanical method. Okay, and effect of compaction is void ratio reduce. Simply we can write here void ratio by E. E reduce, arrow sign downward means reduce. Okay, compressibility, or we can say volume also reduce, and permeability also reduce. And due to this effect, what engineering factor is increased? Shear strength increase. ठीक है, shear strength increase, denseness is also increased, या फिर we can say stability increase, and then bearing capacity, that is important engineering factor, bearing capacity increase. Okay, this point is clear to everyone. So compaction is a artificial process, or we can say compaction is a process of artificial rearrangement of soil and packing together to closure soil molecules by mechanical method. Okay, so due to this process in engineering properties is changed, and change properties is this one. So void ratio of soil is reduced, volume is reduced, permeability and reduced. Due to this factor, shear strength is also increased, stability, degree of denseness or stability is increased, and bearing capacity is increased. Okay, so see one example. So in first case, before compaction, soil is in this state, soil molecules in this state. Okay, soil molecules in this state before compaction. And now next state is the soil molecules is in equal number, but after compaction, here is the after compaction by different mechanical method. After compaction, soil molecules is arranged in this way. Okay, soil molecules arranged in this way. So this is the difference between before compaction and after compaction. Before compaction, if volume is V, after compaction volume is changed, and that is V dash, and V dash less than V. Okay, here void ratio is equal to E, here void ratio is E dash, and here E dash is also less than E. Okay, here permeability is K, here permeability is K dash, and permeability also reduces. Correct है? Less than V. Clear to everyone? Changes after compaction, and what is compaction process, and what is the effect on after compaction on soil. So next is the difference between compaction and another term, that is consolidation. So what is the difference between compaction and consolidation?
कंसोलिडेशन मैम रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर को बोलते हैं, और
कंसोलिडेशन टाइम डिपेंडिंग होता है.
और okay, compressibility and consolidation is same or not? Compressibility and consolidation.
No, ma'am.
compressibility and consolidation. So define consolidation and also define compressibility. What is the difference?
मैम कंप्रेसिबिलिटी में एयर रिमूव होता है और कंसोलिडेशन में वाटर रिमूव होता है, और कंप्रेसिबिलिटी के लिए तुरंत हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के लिए तुरंत करते हैं, और कंसोलिडेशन टाइम डिपेंडिंग होता है, वो आराम से धीरे धीरे वाटर रिमूव होते रहता है.
Okay, means compaction and compressibility is same. In both case, you said that air is removed. Okay, so is this correct? Compaction and compressibility is same.
मैम कॉम्प्रेसिबिलिटी में दोनों को रिमूव करते हैं ना, एयर वाटर दोनों को.
मैं तुम लोगों से जानना चाहती हूँ, तुम लोग बताओ compressibility and consolidation and compaction.
मैम कॉम्पैक्शन और कंसोलिडेशन ये दोनों कॉम्प्रेसिबिलिटी का ही पार्ट है.
Exactly. Compressibility is a process in which volume is reduced by any process, either compaction, either consolidation. Okay, and volume is reduced not only due to air removal or not only due to water removal. Volume reduced due to either air removal, either water removal. Okay, so compressibility is a process in which volume is changed. Okay, so in compaction also volume changed due to air removal, and in consolidation also volume changed due to water removal. So in both process volume is reduced, but in different condition. So compressibility is the process in which water is volume is reduced. Okay, and compaction and consolidation is the method, or we can say process of what? Compressibility. So compressibility is divided in two method: compaction and consolidation. Now compressibility is clear to everyone. Compressibility means volume change. Compressibility means anything is compressed. Compress means change in volume. Okay, and change in volume due to any reason, either by compaction, either by consolidation. Compaction and consolidation both are different process. Okay, but in both process volume is also changed. In both process volume is changed. And what is the compressibility? Compressibility is process in which volume is changed. So these two method is a part of compressibility. So compressibility is clear to everyone. Compressibility, consolidation and compaction. So now difference
ma'am.
between compaction and consolidation. What is difference between difference points? What is difference? Compressibility, compaction and consolidation. So first is the in compaction. In compaction, it is a artificial process. Okay, and consolidation is artificial as well as natural, both process. Okay, so in compaction it is almost instantaneous process. It is a instantaneous process, and consolidation is time dependent, means time taking process, not instantaneous. Time dependent. Second is the in compaction, soil is unsaturated. In compaction process, soil is unsaturated. Why unsaturated in compaction process? and saturated condition, and in consolidation soil in saturated condition. Soil is in saturated. So why this line is here? Soil is in insaturated condition in compaction, and in consolidation soil is in saturated condition. So this is condition for before compaction or after compaction. Soil is unsaturated is possible when either after compaction or before compaction. When this condition occurs. Think about unsaturated condition. So in unsaturated means what? If unsaturated soil condition, that means 3 phase: air, water and soil. Unsaturated. And if saturated means only soil and water. So before compaction and after compaction, which condition is achieved? Unsaturated or saturated? Before compaction, which condition is there? Unsaturated or saturated?
Unsaturated.
Unsaturated. And after compaction?
Saturated.
Saturated. This point is clear, everyone? Before compaction means air is there. No any mechanical method is used, so air is not removed. Void is also here, and in void, air is also here and water is also here. But after compaction in during compaction process, air is removed. So if air is removed after compaction, so we get this phase of soil, okay, saturated. But before compaction, soil is in unsaturated condition. But for consolidation condition is generally after compaction. Okay, after compaction means soil is already in saturated conditions. Soil is already in this condition. Air is already removed. Then compaction start. Okay, so soil is saturated condition before consolidation or at the time of consolidation. जब हम लोग सॉइल को कॉम्पैक्ट करते हैं, कॉम्पैक्ट मींस वॉल्यूम रिड्यूस करना है, तो हमें वॉइड रेशियो को रिमूव करना है. So void ratio में starting का जो phase है, that is in 3 phase system. Soil is in 3 phase system. Air is also. But in compaction process, some mechanical method is used, and by this method air is removed. And in consolidation is done after compaction. In consolidation, water is removed from void. Okay, so water is when removed. If air is removed, almost removed, then water start to removed. So volume reduction in compaction process is only due to expulsion of water, only due to air removal. So volume reduced in compaction due to air expulsion. Air expulsion means air removal. And in consolidation, volume reduced due to water expulsion. Reduced due to water expulsion. Means air already removed. So if air already removed from 3 phase system, then now soil is in 2 phase. 2 phase means saturated soil system. Okay. This point is clear, everyone? So this point is also clear, this point is also clear, and this process is also clear. So next difference is the in compaction. In compaction, mechanical method, mechanical technique is used. Okay, and in consolidation, either natural process, either any load placed on the soil, either we can say naturally, or we can say also load are placed over the soil, and here is the mechanical process. So due to mechanical process, it is a instantaneous process and it is a time dependent process. Okay, these differences are clear to everyone. Difference between compaction and consolidation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
see a phase diagram for before compaction and after compaction. So this is condition for before compaction. Here is solid, here is the water, and here is the air. Okay, this is the before compaction. Before and after compaction. In this condition, here in compaction only volume change due to air removal. So consider only this volume. This volume is a V, volume of void. After compaction, volume is reduced, and here is the soil and here is the water. This portion is also removed. Water solid. Okay, but 100% air can't be removed by any method. 100% air can't be removed, so some portion also becomes. So here some portion only, but assume all voids, all air voids is removed, but actually this is not possible. So this change in volume is the due to compaction, and here is unsaturated condition, here also unsaturated, but practically it is not possible sat is equal to 1 saturated condition. So in consolidation there are also two-phase system. In consolidation, two-phase system, only soil and water. Okay, and after consolidation, consolidation also soil and water. Water also 100% is not removed, water is also there, but volume is reduced due to removal of water, due to expulsion of water. Okay, so here is also saturation 100%, here also saturation 100%. This condition is before consolidation, this condition is for after consolidation. So the compaction of soil is reported in terms of dry density of soil, and also that is amount of soil solids which can be packed together unit volume of soil. Compaction also represent soil density. How denseness of soil? Okay, denseness of soil. Compaction represent denseness of soil. So what is the density? Density equal to mass by volume. So compaction also represent denseness of soil. So compaction process determined in laboratory by different method. First method is standard Proctor method. Have you know about a standard Proctor method? Standard Proctor method.
नो मैम.
स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉक्टर मेथड तुम लोग का सेमेस्टर में करवाया गया था, याद करने की कोशिश करो. स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉक्टर मेथड. Standard Proctor method, modified Standard Proctor method, Indian Standard method, Indian Standard Proctor method, and Indian Standard Modified Proctor method. There are 4 types of experiment done in lab for compaction calculation. So in a standard Proctor method, a standard cylindrical mold in which soil is to be tested, and soil is filled in cylinder in 3 layers, and each layer is subjected to equal number of blows with a standard weight of hammer. Okay, so first, a standard Proctor method. Compaction lab test. First method is, मैं यहाँ पे एक्सपेरिमेंट का प्रोसेस तो तुम लोग को ऑलरेडी पता है, मैं सिर्फ एक टेबल यहाँ पे बता देती हूँ जिसमें कि डिफरेंस तुम्हें समझ में आएगा all method. So here is the compaction characteristic. Standard for first method is the standard Proctor test. Standard Proctor test. Second is the Indian standard light compaction test. This Indian method is modified by this foreign method. Foreign method is standard Proctor test. Okay.